Hello everyone. This file that I'm about to introduce to you is about basic mathematical operations. So once you open the file, it will go to the worksheet on the minimum and the maximum value. So in this worksheet, you will see here the minimum values for every operation, the maximum values, and you will also see here the options for practice, answer key, and each of the operations window cards. So first, when you enter the minimum, you can type in any numbers. Just make sure that the minimum is lower than the maximum. So here, I'm trying 1 to 10. You can also try negative numbers by entering in the minimum negative and then positive for the maximum. You can also try 3 digits or 4 digits or 5 digits. This can cater um, multiple digits for per operation. So to start, we're going to try 1 to 10 and we'll proceed to practice. Now in practice, you will see here the button for random given. Then there's also an option to hide or show the answer. And then we have the save the next, and we also have the multiple operations. So you can also see here the answer key and for the timers. And on this part, you can also enter the number of items that you'd like to have or to give your students. Now, for this part, in the yellow part, this is where you can enter the operation or select the operation. Now, save the next. This is intended for manually moving to the next item. So, say for example, 3 items. So, after 3 item or after item number 3, it will go blank. And then you click on answer key and then click on show, and you will see here the items. So the arrangement is from the last item to the first, so it's going up. Now when you click on clear, it will delete everything, then go back the way it was before. So you may enter for the number of items 5, 10, or it will be up to you. So say for example here up to 5, so it will give 5 items. And take note, the arrangement is from bottom to top. Now say for example you would like to have only addition, just click on this part and it will go for and select addition. All the operations will now be addition. So if you notice, number 4, number 5, all of it, all of these items are addition. Then you also have the option to select either subtraction, multiplication, or division. So let's try division. So if you click on save the next, you will notice all the items are division. So there are 5 options for the operation. You can either have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or random operation. Now this red part here is for the timer. So say for example you want to have the items answered 10 seconds per item. So just enter. Take note the format is hour, minute, then seconds. So once you enter the timer, just click on start timer.
Let us
and
start.
it will give you number 1. Then after the indicated time, say for example 10 seconds, it will automatically go for the next item after 10
2.
seconds. So if you notice, I'm no longer clicking on the button for the start timer, but it's going to proceed to item number 3 since it's already 10 seconds, and so on. So the button for start timer is intended for the
4,
automatically moving to the next item. And then for the save the next, this is intended for manually proceeding to the next item.
last item,
So once item number 5, since the number of items is only 5, then it is going to go blank.
time is up,
Then it will go to the answer key. So when you click on show, you'll see there the answers. So you may enter the number of items like 10, 20, it will be up to you. And then for the timer, you can have 1 minute, 10 seconds, or even 1 second. That will be okay. But I'm not sure if the students can answer each item for just 1 second.
let us start,
So when you click on start timer,
1,
so it is going to move
2,
to the next item every
3,
after 1 second.
4,
Then
last
after the
item,
last item, it will proceed
time
to
is
the
up,
answer key. So just click on show, then you will see the answers, then click clear so that it will go back to the start. So that's it about the practice. So hope you enjoy the video. And then for the next video, I'm going to show you the window cards, how to do the change the given, and also how to do the printing. Thank you.